Hey everyone, I'm at the Gilbert Stewart birthplace counting fish, but not by hand, no, with an underwater camera and machine learning. Heather Kinney runs the Nature Conservancy's Coastal Resilience program here in Rhode Island. She's trying to figure out how to teach the computer to count river herring. Here's Heather to tell us all about it.
So in order for the machine learning program to do its job accurately, it needs consistent parameters to be able to track the fish as they go by. In order to create those consistent parameters, we, with MIT Sea Grant, built this box. It is made up of a couple of different colored panels. So there are a few black panels on the side and the bottom to absorb light so that we don't get a lot of reflection in the video camera. And then on the one back side, there's a white panel. And that provides a really high contrast for when the fish pass that white panel as the fish go by to pick up on the computer program. We are going to leave everything installed during the entire fish run, plus a little bit of extra time just in case. So we've got it set up now at the end of March, and we'll leave it in through probably mid-June this year. And then everything's going to come out for the season.